Welcome to the lecture series of multiple integrals. Today we are going to see a problem under double integration. Look at the question. Evaluate double integral xy dx dy where the region of integration is bounded by x-axis x equal to 2a and x square equal to 4ay. In this question integration is given but limit is not given directly. Instead of that, it is given that the region of integration is bounded by three curves: x-axis x equal to 2a and x square equal to 4ay parabola. Using these only we are going to find the limit for x and y. After that we are going to integrate the integration. So look at the solution. The region of integration is bounded by x-axis is given that bounded by x-axis and x is equal to 2a and x square equal to 4ay. So these are the curves bounded by the region of integration. So if we are taking the x-axis and y-axis, look at the diagram. X square equal to 4ay is a curve of parabola, okay, and x is equal to 2a. If I am taking a and 2a, x is equal to 2a. This point, if you are taking x is equal to 2a. So the region of integration is bounded by x-axis. That means what? X-axis means y equal to 0. So y equal to 0. This is the x-axis and x is equal to 2a and x square equal to 4ay. So the region of integration is the shaded portion. So this is the region of integration. In this region only we have to find out the integration for the given question. So now we can write this one. X-axis means we know that y equal to 0 and x equal to 2a. This is the line. X is equal to 2a and x square equal to 4ay. So x square equal to 4ay. Okay, it's given x square equal to 4ay and x is equal to 2a. It's given in the question. So now x is equal to 2a. We can substitute in this one. X square equal to 4ay. So what will happen? 4a square equal to 4ay. Here we are substituting x is equal to 2a. So we can cancel the 4 and a. So which implies y is equal to a. Okay. So when x is equal to 2a, which implies y is equal to a. Therefore, the point of intersection is 2a comma a. Okay. So in the diagram we have to note the point of integration. Okay. So it's 2a comma a. So if you are taking the point as a, so the point of intersection is 2a comma a. So this is the point of intersection. When x is equal to 2a, y is equal to a. So this is the point of integration. Point of intersection. Now look at this. Hence we can find the limit for y. Y varies from where to where? Y varies from 0 to a. Therefore y varies from 0 to a. From the diagram we can easily identify y starts from here and ends at a. So y varies from 0 to a. Now we have to find the limit for x. To find the x limit, we have to, x-axis is a horizontal. Okay, so to find the x limit, whenever under the integration, we have to take the horizontal strip. Okay, so if I am taking a horizontal strip in the region of integration, the shaded region, okay, if you are taking a strip like this to find the limit of x. Okay, so to find the x limit, draw a strip. Okay, to find the x limit, draw a strip parallel to x-axis, or otherwise we can take a horizontal strip. Okay. So to find the x limit, draw a strip parallel to x-axis. Okay. On this strip, Okay, on this strip x varies from, look at the diagram. In this diagram you are taking the strip like this, no? So from here, okay, from this strip, if you start from here and it ends at this point, so whatever be the point on this curve, if you are taking x square equal to 4ay, which implies x is equal to root of 4ay, that means x is equal to 2 root ay, okay, and it ends at the point x is equal to 2a. So the strip starts from x is equal to 2 root ay to x is equal to 2a. So x varies from 2 root ay to 2a. So we got the limit for y and x. Now we can go for the integration. So can write the given integration. Therefore I is equal to, it's given double integral xy dx dy. This is what given in the question. So first integration with respect to x, the inner integration is x and the outer integration is y. So for the x limit is 2 root ay to 2a and the y limit is 0 to a. Okay. So now we have substitute the limit also, just we have to integrate this, applying the limit we can get the answer. So first integration with respect to x, so we can treat the y as a constant. So integration of x is x square by 2 with the limit 2 root ay to 2a into dy. Okay, upper limit minus lower limit. Before applying the limit we can take the 1 by 2 outside, it's a constant. So 0 to a y into upper limit is 2a, so 2a square, that is 2a the whole square, that is 4a square minus 2 root a the whole square. 2 root a the whole square means 4ay. Okay, 4ay into dy. So here also we have 1 by 2 integral 0 to a 4a square y minus 4ay square into dy. Okay. So now we can take the 4a commonly outside. 4a by 2 integral 0 to a ay minus y square into dy. This will become as 2a. So a into integration of y is y square by 2 0 to a minus y cube by 3 0 to a. Okay. So 2a into a by 2 a square minus 0, upper limit minus lower limit, minus 1 by 3 into a cube minus 0. Okay. So 2a cube by 2 minus a cube by 3. So we can take the a cube also outside. So 2a power 4, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So which is equal to 2a power 4 divided by 6, 3 minus 2, that is 2a power 4 into 1 by 6, that is a power 4 by 3. Therefore our required answer I is equal to a power 4 by 3. So this is the answer for the given integration. This question is a repeated university question. So give more concentration on this question. Thank you for watching.